Have you ever sat down and truly pondered, how much money do you really need in your life? It's a question that takes us on a journey into financial planning and wise money management. The answer isn't as straightforward as you might think, but let's delve into it. Imagine a person, let's call him John. John's journey through life is a perfect example to understand the different stages of financial needs. In the early years of his working life, John was primarily focused on saving for big-ticket items like a car or a house. His financial needs were relatively simple, but he still had to ensure he was saving a sufficient amount each month to reach his goals. Then came marriage, and with it, a whole new set of financial requirements. Suddenly, John found himself needing to save not just for himself, but for his family too. The cost of raising children, their education, and maintaining a comfortable lifestyle became a part of his financial plan. As the years went by, John's children grew up and moved out, leaving him and his spouse in the empty nest phase. Their financial focus shifted towards planning for a comfortable retirement. This meant investing wisely, diversifying their portfolio, and ensuring they had enough to maintain their lifestyle without a regular income. But life is unpredictable. Unforeseen circumstances like medical emergencies or market downturns meant that John had to adapt his financial plans to navigate these challenges successfully. The key is that John's financial needs didn't remain constant. They evolved with each stage of his life, from a young professional to a retiree. As we can see, John's financial needs evolved with each life stage, making it vital to plan accordingly. So, what can we learn from John's journey? Well, like John, we all have our unique life paths, and what we need financially will vary greatly depending on our goals, lifestyle choices, and circumstances. The first key takeaway is the importance of financial planning. Having a clear understanding of your income, expenses, and financial goals is the foundation of financial security. It's not just about how much money you earn, but how you manage it. Secondly, investing wisely is crucial. Know that the value of investments can go up and down. It's not a guaranteed path to riches, but a diversified portfolio can provide a measure of security and potential for growth. Adapting to changing life circumstances is another crucial aspect. Life is unpredictable. You might face job loss, illness, or other unforeseen events. Having a financial cushion can give you peace of mind and the ability to navigate through these tough times with less stress. Lastly, remember that retirement planning is not something to be put off. The earlier you start, the better. The power of compound interest means your money can grow significantly over time. So, whether it's investing in stocks, real estate, or even crypto, it's never too early to start planning for your golden years. In conclusion, the amount of money you need in life depends on your circumstances, goals, and lifestyle. But with careful planning and smart investing, you can ensure that you are financially secure at every stage of life.